My role in Fianium is to look at the quality processes, and as part of that it's to administrate the DDM software. We're based here on the south coast in Southampton. We manufacture custom laser systems and we've been in business for just over 10 years. If you're not familiar with the technology, our ultra-fast laser systems can machine metal, glass, rubber, all items that you wouldn't necessarily be able to use traditional tools like mechanical drill or cutting with a saw. White light or supercontinuum lasers are used for illumination purposes, so they get integrated into microscopes to light up the samples. We're in a rapidly changing market and we're at the forefront of technology, but we need to be able to cater for all customers who come with a slightly different set of requirements. This can be done on paper, but it becomes quite clumsy and quite awkward to hold all of that information. With a company that's growing and now 50 people are employed here, that system had to be improved. Whilst we're based in Southampton and we are the one manufacturing facility within the company, we have 2 sites in America and in Asia, which we do share data with through the DDM web client. We're also using DDM to share data with suppliers and customers so that they can get the data in real time straight from our server, rather than having to get exported data which could be out of date the next time that they look at it. Having a single repository for all of our product family data that can be worked on by engineering and viewed in production at the same time really does help and contribute to the success of the business. It enables us to have all of our product families and the whole product life cycle in one place. In addition to engineering and production, all of our quality documents for ISO 9001 and our sales quotes and price lists are all stored in DDM. We also manage our research and development projects. Using the workflows, this enables us to look at who's working on it, look at timescales and have a clear design plan before these projects are started. Throughout the project, we use the DDM tools of transmittals to add information. We can have sign-off requests in there for budget changes, and all of the results and data are all stored in one place that we can easily find. It's very easy to build and update a workflow through the DDM admin tool. What we do is we map the business process through the DDM workflow system and then launch it. This gives us the visibility of all of the stages. We've got far more out of it. We've got business processes and we've got our document control system all in the one package. DDM is constantly evolving and the monthly software releases have been a real benefit for us. Whilst we don't update every month, we have the opportunity to look at what new features have been added. The DDM support team are fantastic. The guys have real experience of engineering and manufacturing, gives a real benefit to us as a company. The response times are very quick. My experience in the past is that this can normally take a lot longer, but having the interaction face to face and over the phone with the support team is a massive advantage. Compared with other PLM systems I've used in the past, DDM is far more intuitive and more accessible for everybody from a salesperson to an engineer to a production technician.